Dear Mother, words fail to capture the depth of emotions and gratitude I have for you as I sit down to express my feelings. Your love is a boundless ocean that envelopes my heart, and your presence in my life is a constant source of warmth and comfort. Today, I want to take a moment to honor the incredible bond we share and express my deepest appreciation for the immeasurable love you have showered upon me. From the very first moment I entered this world, you have been there, nurturing me with an unconditional love that knows no bounds. Your selflessness and dedication have shaped me into the person I am today. Through the ups and downs of life, you have been my steadfast support, always ready with open arms and a caring heart. Your love is like a gentle breeze that calms my soul and a bright light that illuminates my path. Your unwavering belief in me has given me the confidence to face challenges and pursue my dreams. Your words of encouragement echo in my mind, guiding me through the darkest of times and filling me with the strength to persevere. The sacrifices you have made for our family are a testament to your boundless love. You have put your own needs aside to ensure our well-being, never seeking recognition or praise. Your relentless efforts and unwavering determination have taught me the true meaning of selflessness and compassion. In your embrace, I have found solace, acceptance, and a sense of belonging. Your comforting presence has provided me with a safe haven where I can always find solace and reassurance. Your unconditional love has nurtured my spirit, fostering a sense of worthiness and a belief in my own abilities. Through your actions, you have taught me invaluable life lessons. Your resilience in the face of adversity has shown me the power of perseverance. Your kindness and empathy towards others have instilled in me a deep sense of compassion and the desire to make a positive impact in the world. No matter the distance or the challenges that life throws our way, your love transcends all boundaries. Your unwavering support and understanding have been a beacon of light, guiding me through the uncertainties of life. Your comforting voice and warm smile have the power to heal even the deepest wounds. On this special day, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation for the immeasurable love you have bestowed upon me. Your love is a source of strength, a guiding light, and the foundation upon which I build my life. I am eternally grateful for your presence in my life and for the countless ways in which you have touched my heart. As I navigate the journey of life, I carry your love within me, like a compass that always points me in the right direction. Your love has shaped my values, influenced my choices, and given me the courage to chase my dreams. It is a constant reminder of the incredible woman you are and the infinite blessings I have received by being your child. Today and every day, I celebrate you, Mom. Your love has transformed my world, and I am forever grateful for the gift of your presence in my life. Your unwavering love and devotion are a priceless treasure that I will cherish for eternity. Thank you, Mom, for being my guiding light, my confidant, and my best friend. I am blessed to have you in my life, and I am honored to call you my mother. With all my heart, I send you my deepest love, warmest wishes, and eternal gratitude. With all my love. Your son.